Meanwhile, the JCF says while it's happy to contribute to the drafting of the regional use of force policy, it hopes the new policy will address local realities. Also speaking at the conference, Assistant Commissioner of Police Richard Stewart says police officers in Jamaica continue to tackle culture of criminal violence, reflected in 4 police officers being killed and 11 injured in the line of duty since the start of the year. He gave statistics for incidents where shots were fired at the police.
470, that's 2014, 425, that's 15, and 502, that's 2016. From these incidents, in 2014, 2 of our members were murdered and 8 shot and injured. In 2015, 8 murdered, 19 shot and injured. In 2016, 6 murdered, 22 shot and injured.
ACP Stewart says in 74% of the shootings involving the police since the start of the year, at least 1 illegal firearm was recovered.